Good day class, welcome back once again. In our previous class we talked about fractions and decimal. So today our topic is percentages. At the end of this lesson, these are the learning objectives expected of you as students. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to 1. Calculate percentage increase and decrease. 2. Find the percentage of a given quantity. 3. Use a multiplier to calculate percentage increase or decrease percentage. A percentage is a number that can be expressed as a fraction of 100. Percentages, fractions, and decimals are all different ways of representing values. Example, here is a table that shows fraction converted to percentages and also to decimal. 3/8. 3/8 multiplied by 100 will give us 37.5%. Then you convert this 37.5% to decimal, which is 0.375. Let's solve the remaining questions together. 1/4 times 100. 4 here 1 in 100. 25. 1 times 25, that is 25%. 25% converted to decimal. First fraction, we have 25/100. That's 1 to 0.25. Then 7/10. 7/10 multiplied by 100 to get our percentage. 10 in this, that is 10. 7 times 10, that's 70%. Convert your 70% to decimal. First write in fraction, 70/100, and that is the same as 0.70. Calculating a percentage of a quantity. Example, a computer engineer earns $2,500 per month. She decides to save 12% of her earnings and put this money into her savings account. You have to calculate the amount of money she pays into her savings account each month. What the computer engineer earns is $2,500, but she then decides to save 12% of that money each month. Let's calculate her earning. 12% is represented as 12/100 times the total amount of money. So we have 12 times $25. 12 times 25, $300, which implies that she pays $300 into her savings account. Each month. Another example, in an examination, a girl gets 35 marks out of 40. Express this result as a percentage. Express the result as a percentage. She gets 35 out of 40, so we have to interpret that first as 35/40 multiplied by 100, the percentage. You have your 20 here, 5 in 42. We have 35 times 5 will give us 175. Then 2 times 1 gives this 2. When you divide it, you get 87.5%. Let's move now to percentage increase and decrease. There are two methods of solving percentage increase and decrease. The normal method and also the multiplier method. Let's start with the normal method. If a quantity increases by 5%, then it has increased from 100% to 105% of the original. An increase means addition. So that is 100% plus 5%, and it gives 105% of the original. And if a quantity decreases by 8%, then it has decreased from 100% to 92%. Decrease in a quantity means subtraction. The quantity fell from the original price. Example, the population of a town is 45,000. The population is expected to rise by 85% in the next 10 years. What will be the population in 10 years' time? Sometimes they don't tell us what we are to do when solving a given question. But reading through it, you can see that it says the population rise. That is an increase. So we use the method of increase to solve it. 85% of 45,000, that is 85 over 100 times 45,000. Your 20 cancels the 20. You have 85 times 450, which gives us 38,250. That is 85% of 45,000. But that was not the main question we were asked. We were told to find the population in the next 10 years. So to get the total population, add the current population plus the 85% increase. So the new population is old population plus the increase. Then this is the old population, 45,000 plus the new population that we got, which is 85% of it, 38,250. Addition of these two gives 83,250. The second method we talk about is using a multiplier. We can use a multiplier to calculate a percentage increase or decrease. Example 1. Increase 964 by 65%. 964 is 100%, which is the original. Original always have a full percentage, 100%. Therefore, increase 100% plus what you were told to increase it with 65%. So I have 100% plus 65%. That gives 165%. 165% expressed in fraction. 165 over 100, and that gives 1.65. Therefore, the multiplier is 1.65. The formula says for an increase, amount multiplied by multiplier. The amount we have originally here is 964 times the multiplier we just got, 1.65. That gives 1,590.6. Example 2. Decrease $275 by 54%. This is the difference. Decrease means subtract. When we talked about increase here, we added. So this is subtraction. $275 is the original amount. That is 100% of the money. Then for decrease, 100% minus the percentage we were told to use as a decrease, 54%. 100% minus 54% gives 46%. Expressed as fraction, 46 over 100. That gives 0.46. Therefore, the multiplier is 0.46. Just like the increase, the decrease is the same formula, amount times multiplier. $275 times the multiplier you just got, 0.46, and that gives $126.5. So we have come to the end of today's class, but before I leave, here is your assignment. 1. What multiplier would you use to A. Increase the value of 63%, B. Decrease the value by 88%, and number 2. A girl saved $240. How much will she have if she increases her savings by 70%? Then the third question says change 5 over 8 to percentage. Then change the same 5 over 8 to decimal. Thanks and have a nice day.